Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today finally I have got the call from the Motorplex Hyderabad showroom that the Quickshifter has arrived. So today I'm taking this bike to get the Quickshifter installed in it. So yeah, let's get started with the video and I'll see you at the showroom. It's a hot day today, around 12 p.m. in the afternoon, but because I don't want to delay the Quickshifter, I am going to the service center even in this hot sun, and it does take some time. I think the technician said that they will take around 2 to 3 hours to get the Quickshifter installed. So if I go late, there are chances that it might not be completed by the time the showroom closes. I have reached the showroom now. Let's see how much time it takes to get the Quickshifter installed.
हेलो सर,
कैसे है?
बढ़िया।
As you can see, they started opening the bike. First they removed the left side panel and the under seat mount. Now you can see the entire mount for the seat is getting removed, and then we will have access to all the cables and wires under the bike. And this is the point where the Quickshifter connector will be connected to the bike. This is the Bluetooth unit which is used to connect the phone, which is safely placed inside the underseat storage. And this is the ECU of the bike. The ECU is located just below the tank, and in the center the battery is located. This is how the bike looks when it is completely opened from under the seat. And this is the gear lever that will be removed now, and we will install the Quickshifter here. This is the Quickshifter module that will be installed on the bike. When you see the old and the new together, the old one does not have the sensor and the new one has a sensor with a kind of a piston over here. And this piston will be used as a sensor for Quickshifter. This is the connector that will connect to the bike to the port that I showed you earlier. Now the Quickshifter installed, and you can see it is clearly written made in Italy. That means this has directly arrived from Italy. And also I can see that the wiring is done very nicely. all the wires are clamped inside, and there is a channel which is already made for this quick shifter, and none of the wires is hanging anywhere, and it comes from here and directly connects to the port inside. The bike is now connected through the laptop using a OBD port. So Aprilia uses the official software to activate the quick shifter. Once the quick shifter is installed, the software is used to activate the quick shifter, only then it will work. Quickshifter activation has been done, and you can see the AKS down option is now being populated under the settings, and it can be switched on or off. Once it is switched on, you can use the quick shifter while on the go, and you can see there is a small icon that has arrived. There is a down arrow button, that is the quick shifter option that we have enabled in it. The quick shifter has been fitted now. It's time to head back home. I came back from the showroom because it was too much hot and there was a lot of traffic. I did not get any free space to test the quick shifter, so I'm taking out again in the evening. You can see the quick shifter is installed here. I'll take it out on the highway because the highway is very closer to my place, but the way from the showroom to my house, it is very much crowded, so I didn't show anything to you guys. So yeah, let's get ahead and take this beast out on the highway to test the quick shifter. I am at the highway now. As you can see, there is a quick shifter symbol over here which is in yellow color right now. What it means is only after 3000 rpm you can use the quick shifter. So when it crosses 3000 rpm, this symbol changes to white. And what I have noticed is after 4 or 5000 rpm is the time when the quick shifter actually starts to work. Below that, at around 3000 to 4000 rpm, it is not that smooth. So I'll show it to you. I will not talk much because many of the folks, they want to see how the quick shifter sounds when I shift. To give you a background, those of you who don't know how the quick shifter works is you don't have to blip the throttle or use the clutch. You just have to shift the gears while you're on the gas. So if you see, I will just be giving the throttle. I will not let go of the throttle. I will not use the clutch. I will just use the gear shifter to change the gears, upshift or downshift, and it will change. Let's go. You saw? Without even closing the throttle or using the clutch, I was able to change the gear. And this quick shifter is working very smoothly. Now I will downshift 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd. Wow, this quick shifter is working beautifully.
I'll let go of the accelerator and show you how the auto blipper works. Did you see? If the RPM is above 5000, the auto blipper works so smoothly. Upshifts, even let's say at 3000 4000 RPM, it is performing beautifully. If you are planning to go for the Quickshifter, I would say go for it, because that is money well spent. You might feel that 29,000 it's a lot, 28,000 it's a lot, but the amount of fun that it will add to your RS457 will be immense. On the highways with the Quickshifter, RS457 can be enjoyed a lot. Without the clutch, without the accelerator, I am able to change the gear. Downshift is a little bit hard at lower RPMs, but at higher RPMs even the downshift works smoothly. I am waiting for the other accessory, as in the high windscreen and the race brake pads. I want to see what is the difference in these sintered brake pads and the race brake pads. That has not arrived at the showroom yet. If you haven't seen the accessories video that I made, you can follow the link appearing in the I section right now. See, I am downshifting without blipping the accelerator. You saw how the Quickshifter and auto blipper works, and I think it is worth spending 28,000 on the Quickshifter. You will not get disappointed, that's for sure. I did not talk much in this video because I wanted you guys to see how the Quickshifter performs. If I make any commentary, then the sound of the Quickshifter and auto blipper is not felt. So that's the reason why I did not speak while shifting much. And yeah, that's all about the Quickshifter in this video. Keep posting your thoughts in the comment section below. Please like my video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.